This is the Capacitive Transformerless Power Supply interactive calculator, which helps engineers design and analyze transformerless power supplies for low-current applications. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: Design for target load current, Design for target DC output voltage, Calculate current from given capacitor, Calculate power dissipation and efficiency, Design bleeder resistor for discharge time, or surge current and inrush limiting. We're using Design for target load current. Enter your AC mains voltage in VAC RMS, line frequency in Hertz, load current in milliamps, target DC voltage in volts, dropper capacitor in microfarads, series resistor in ohms, load resistance in ohms, discharge time in seconds, and filter capacitor in microfarads. For our example, I've entered 230 volts AC, 50 Hz frequency, 50 milliamps load current, 12 volts DC target, 0.47 microfarads dropper capacitor, 10 ohms series resistor, 240 ohms load resistance, 1 second discharge time, and 470 microfarads filter capacitor. After clicking Calculate, the results show we need a 0.692 microfarad dropper capacitor, giving us 4600 ohms capacitive reactance and our desired 50 milliamp circuit current. The calculator even provides a design warning to use an X2 rated capacitor with minimum 400 volt rating. Find the link in the description below.